Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with an update. Let's go straight into Dogelon Mars, my friends. Hope you guys are doing great. Bitcoin is currently down 2.5%. I haven't checked Dogelon Mars, but we can expect it to be down the same, if not a little bit more. So let's go ahead and check it if it is correlating with what it normally is doing. Yep. All right, it is down 8%, hitting those 3.5s. We broke through those 3.6 levels, which was recent support. So what are we doing now? We're in a huge wick, bouncing off of the bottom at this 338 level. Let's draw this Fibonacci retracement tool out and see what we are looking at. Today we want to see it close above this 3623 level. Okay, if we do that, it's a semi-bullish sign. However, we want to see that Bitcoin chart start to move up again. It's good that it's holding above these $20,000 levels. However, we want to see it move up towards those $25,000 levels. Look at this major buying pressure. It sold off all the way down below these 20,000s, almost hitting those $19,000 levels before buyers came in and pushed it all the way back above these $20,000 levels. That's a very, very good sign, my friends. We definitely want to keep our eyes out. Volume is tapering down. We are setting up. Continue to average in. If right now is a great moment. If we do close above these 0.618 levels, to average in if you are a day trader, because we should see a little spike after this. This is a very quick update. I hope you guys are all doing good. Yes, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. The level we want to watch today is this 3623 levels. If we close above that, tomorrow we should see a little green candle pushing higher than the top of this red body here, these 3908 levels. Now, however, if it continues to drop, we want to watch the base of this green candle here, these 2911s, right below these 0.786 levels. If we go ahead and look at previous support, we also have this one here, these threes, which is pretty much the same as this 0.786. So that's our very low, but very strong support that we have to keep our eyes on. But the biggest level for the day is those 3623 levels. Let's go ahead and keep an eye on that, and I will keep you guys updated. Crypto Billionaire 69, super quick. Hope you guys are doing good. Currently down 9.2%. However, this is all temporary. Continue to average in, because when Bitcoin does start to hit those $30,000 levels, Dogelon Mars will indeed follow the trend. And you see how it's down like 9% when Bitcoin is down only 3%. That means whenever we go up 3%, Dogelon Mars will go up 9%. So it's pretty much directly correlated in that sense. However, let's go ahead and keep our eyes on that 3623 levels for the day. Crypto Billionaire 69 with that 3 minute and 16 second update out. I love you guys.